Ciao Tesla people. There is a software update and it's the 2025.44.3. I'm downloading it. I'm going to do the installation as usual. There are several improvements and changes and new features. So I'm going to talk about it as soon as the installation is done. So the download is almost over. I'm going to do the time lapse of the installation, but it will do 2 or 3 seconds for you, and then we'll talk about the changes. Okay, so stay tuned. So the download of the Tesla OS update 2025.44.3, it's done, the download. Now I can do the installation. So let's start it from here. Oh, they give you 3 minutes. Before it was 2 minutes. Anyway, so we'll install it from here. Install. Oh, okay, here, 2 minutes countdown. And you can tap here to skip these 2 minutes because you don't want to wait. And done. So installation starts. It will take probably half an hour from what I saw. And I'm going to do a time lapse for you, 3 seconds. So in 3 seconds, it will be installed and we go through the new features, bug fixes, undocumented changes, all that jazz. Okay, so I'll see you in 3 seconds. So I'm done installing. So the release notes says minor bug fixes. But if I go to the 2025.44, because the .3 is a fixes from the previous one, so there is a radio traffic announcement up. Radio now supports the traffic announcement in supported regions. Italy is included. Tap the traffic icon on the play button on now playing screen to toggle the feature when enabled. The bold icon indicates announcement will play. Okay, so I don't have any traffic right now because I'm in a town. But let's go to the notteslaapp.com site and let's see how this new Tesla OS update will add new features. So there is a new dashcam update, and the dashcam viewer app has been updated with a grid view, making it easier to access and review recordings. So let's go to the dashcam view. Should be this guy. Yeah, I have. Okay, so this is the camera. So let's go to the dashcam viewer app. There should be a grid now. Let's see. My guess is here. Let's this guy. Event. A grid view, making it easier to access and review recordings. Doesn't look like maybe it's not for me yet. Yeah. Sometimes the new features, they say there is a new one, but in reality it's not there yet. Okay, that's why. It's available worldwide, but the models are Legacy Model S, 3, Legacy X, and Y. Doesn't say Juniper or new Model Y, so I guess it's not for me. The radio traffic announcement app was said, minor bug fixes. Now you can now choose exclude home when cabin overheat protection or no AC is enabled. And this is available worldwide, Model S3XY and Cybertruck. Okay. In service mode improvements, this is available worldwide and is undocumented. You see, sometimes there are undocumented changes that people figure out. In all models, this is very cool. So you see the graphics in service mode for the airbags. And airbags panel update, new disarm airbag and resistance check routines. Very cool. And this is available for Model S, some models, okay? So there are 2 or 3 new features, and then there is a new undocumented change in service mode. Unfortunately, I don't have this grid on the videos, Looks like it's not for me yet, or maybe it's coming in the next ones. And then the other one was the app, let me see the announcement here in radio. In radio, yeah. Okay, let's stop this guy. Station direct and radio, yeah. And now announcement, okay. I'm not driving, so there are no traffic announcements. Anyway, these are pretty cool. Again, Tesla updated 2025.43.3, and everything went well. It took forever to install. It took like 40 minutes. So it's not a small update, this one. Anyway, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, comment. Also, if you buy a Tesla, use my referral code. The link is in the description. And I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.